Have you ever thought a single tablespoon could make a big difference in your health? Imagine using something as simple as avocado oil to improve your skin, boost heart health, ease nerve pain, and more. Today, I'll share why a daily dose of organic, cold-pressed avocado oil could be just what your body needs to thrive. From ancient uses to modern science, the benefits of this oil are impressive, and I'll show you exactly how to incorporate it into your routine. Let's start with the heart, the engine of your body. Avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat known for its ability to reduce heart disease risk. Oleic acid helps by lowering blood pressure, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing inflammation, all of which are essential for heart health. Avocado oil also contains a plant-based compound called beta-sitosterol. This compound blocks cholesterol absorption in the intestines, leading to a healthier lipid profile. What does this mean for you? With a healthier lipid profile and lower cholesterol, you are less likely to suffer from high blood pressure, clogged arteries, and other cardiovascular issues. Add a tablespoon of avocado oil to your salads or morning smoothie, and you're supporting a heart-healthy diet in a delicious way. Next, let's talk about skin, your body's largest organ and your first line of defense. Avocado oil is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare, thanks to its high content of vitamin E and oleic acid. This dynamic duo hydrates, nourishes, and even helps repair skin cells, reducing moisture loss and improving elasticity. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, also fights free radicals, preventing inflammation that leads to premature aging. But there's more. Avocado oil stimulates collagen production, which is crucial for firm, youthful-looking skin. Regular use of avocado oil, whether applied directly to your skin or consumed, can help diminish fine lines and wrinkles over time. Just a tablespoon a day nourishes your skin from the inside out, helping you achieve a natural, radiant glow. Your eyes benefit too. Avocado oil is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that specifically protect your eye health. These compounds are often called macular pigments because they protect the retina by filtering harmful blue light and shielding your eyes from oxidative damage. As you age, this is crucial for reducing the risk of conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Imagine having sharper vision, improved contrast sensitivity, and better overall eye health, all from adding this oil to your diet. Just a small daily amount builds up these antioxidants in your retina, acting as natural protection for your eyesight. So, if you're serious about protecting your vision as you age, avocado oil might be the perfect addition to your diet. Brain health is vital at every stage of life, and avocado oil offers incredible support here too. This oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which are essential for brain health, cognitive function, and mood regulation. The healthy fats in avocado oil support the myelin sheath, a layer that protects nerve cells, and assist with neurotransmitter function, making brain cell communication more effective. What does this mean? Improved mood, sharper memory, and even potential protection against neurodegenerative diseases. If you're looking to support brain health naturally, try adding avocado oil to your daily routine. It's an easy way to support your mind and emotions with every meal. Good digestion is foundational to overall health, and avocado oil is a fantastic aid for digestion. The monounsaturated fats promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is essential for gut health, smooth digestion, and nutrient absorption. Avocado oil's oleic acid reduces inflammation in the gut lining, providing relief from digestive disorders like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. And let's not forget its mild laxative effect, which can help with regularity and prevent constipation. A tablespoon of avocado oil daily can ease your digestive process and boost nutrient absorption. You might even notice reduced bloating and a happier gut overall, making avocado oil an excellent addition for those dealing with digestive issues. One of the most remarkable benefits of avocado oil is its versatility in cooking, thanks to its high smoke point, up to 520 degrees. Unlike many oils, avocado oil retains its nutritional value even at high temperatures, which makes it perfect for cooking, roasting, and grilling. Cooking oils that exceed their smoke points can break down, losing nutritional value and forming harmful compounds. But with avocado oil, you don't have to worry about this. Using it in cooking not only brings rich flavor to dishes, but also ensures that you're getting a healthy fat source with every meal. It's a simple swap that supports heart health, skin, and brain function, all while enhancing the taste of your favorite foods. Incorporating just 1 tablespoon of avocado oil into your daily routine is a simple yet effective step toward better health. From your heart to your skin, eyes, brain, and gut, the benefits of this oil are profound. Whether you're adding it to salads, smoothies, or using it in cooking, avocado oil offers a natural boost that supports long-term wellness. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to great results. Here's to feeling healthier, stronger, and more vibrant every day. If you found this video helpful, share to your friends and families, and subscribe for more wellness insights. See you in the next video.